Hello students, welcome to Uptree Technologies, Steps Towards a Digital Environment. In our previous session, we did a program on 4 mathematical operations. In this session, we will do a program on value comparison. So, in today's session, what we are gonna learn? We are gonna learn about how we can compare two values and justify that which value is greater or lesser or equal to. In this session, we also need the help of this variable. Hope so you have remembered that what is variable. It is generally a placeholder for values where you can store your values. Since we are doing a comparison, so we need at least two variables where we can compare with. I am making my first variable. I am clicking on make a variable. First variable. Click OK. Again, second variable. Do check that this for all sprites is ticked. Click OK. Now I am gonna remove this sprite and take another sprite. I'll click on people and take this sprite. I'm putting this second variable in this corner. Before start programming, let's just understand the operators. So I'm going to operators. We need to understand these three operators, which is greater than, lesser than and equal to. These three operators are known as comparison operators. So these operators are required when there is a comparison between two values. Start programming. First we'll go to events block and take this event. When flag clicked. So our program will start when we will click a green flag. Next we need to ask the first variable from user. So for that we need this command in sensing block. Ask and wait. I will edit this and enter the text that enter your first variable. Then I am gonna store it in this first variable. Set first variable to answer. So here we are asking for our first variable input and setting that answer to our first variable. Same we'll do for second variable. Enter your second variable. I will change this first variable to second variable and here I'll put answer. So here we have asked for second variable input and stored the answer in second variable. Next we need comparison. And to apply the comparison logic, we need this command. If then else. In this empty space, we'll put our operator. Here, first we'll check that whether these two variables is equal or not. So, I'm putting this one. Then I'll put first variable and second variable. Here, if this first variable is equal to second variable, then a message will be displayed here that these two variables is equal. To display a message, we need this command. Both the variables are equal. If both the variables are not equal, then we'll again check that whether the first variable is greater or the second variable is greater. So again we need this if statement. So I'll put under this else. Again I need this operator. If first variable is greater than second variable, then display a message that first variable is greater. Else display the message that second variable is greater. Now I am clicking on flag. Enter your first variable. I am putting 5. Then enter. Enter your second variable. I am again putting 5. Both the variables are equal. Let's check for another input. Enter your first variable. I am putting 8. Enter your second variable. I am putting 10. So second variable is greater. Now we'll check for first variable greater. So I am putting here 19 and my second variable will be 15. Here you can see that first variable is greater. In our next session, we'll make game on this logic only, where we will compare two variables and will perform some action. Thanks for watching this video.